Hey guys, what's happening? How to make an album on Soundcloud. Before you do anything, go press the App Store or Google Play and make sure that you updated the app to the latest version in order for this to work out. Okay? Go ahead and open it up. Okay? Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit the upload button at the top right. And you're gonna choose a file from your device. So for example, this file. Okay? And you're gonna of course wait it out for a few moments, and you can add the file name, the title, the file name you cannot change, but the title, and add the genre, description if you want to add captions, and then hit save after you finish. It will take time, but you can do that once we show you how it's done. Okay, so I'm gonna disregard the settings, and you can find your music right here on your feed, like you posted a new video or a new post. Okay, and you can add it by clicking the three dots, and you can add it to your album, okay, by just clicking add to playlist. All right, another way of doing it, you could just go ahead to the library, the bottom, and then go ahead to the albums. Okay, you're gonna search for albums right here and go and select the music or the song that you want, and you can add it to your albums. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.